ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? እሸቱ ነኝ የ11ኛ ክፍል የሂሳብ መምህር ከሉሲ ብሪጅ አካዳሚ። Today we are going to learn how to find the sum of vectors. Okay, the sum of two or more vectors. There are rules to or there are laws to use to find the sum of vectors, or we can find the sum of vectors using analytically or geometrically. Okay. There are three laws of geometrical addition method. The first one is triangular method, the second one is parallelogram method, and the third one is polygon law method. Okay. ከዛ በፊት ግን እንደተለመደው ዌብሳይታችን lucybridgeacademy.com እየገባችሁ የተለያዩ አይነት ጥያቄዎችን ታገኛላችሁ፣ አጫጭር ኖቶችን ታገኛላችሁ። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ከ5 ቋንቋዎች በላይ መረዳት የሚያስችላችሁ የራሳችሁ የሆነ ፐርሰናላይዝድ AI አሲስታንስ ፕላትፎርም ታገኛላችሁ። ስለዚህ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ጆይን ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። Thank you. Okay, addition of vectors. Vectors can be added, as I have told you before, graphically or geometrically. Okay. Graphically or algebraically. Graphically, we can add vectors using triangular law, parallelogram law, and polygon law. Okay. Triangle law of vector addition. How do we find the sum of two vectors using triangular law? Okay. Vector, okay. Vector, we know how to represent a vector. There is a tail and head. Whenever you have a vector, you have initial point and terminal point. The initial point is called the terminal point. The terminal point and the final point, or the initial point is, we call it tail, and the final or the terminal point, we call it head. Okay, we call it head or tip, right? So, to find the sum of two or more vectors using triangular law, in order to use, we have only two vectors, and then we can use triangular method to find the sum of two vectors. First, we have to connect head to tail, all right? Head to tail, and then tail to head will be the result of the two vectors. Examples in በጣም ቀላል ነው የሚሆነው። ቴሉን ከሄዱ ጋር ማገናኘት ነው, and then tail to head ስናገናኝ ሪዛልታንት ቬክተር እናገኛለን። ግን ኮኔክት ስናደርግ ቴል ቱ ሄድ ኮኔክት ስናደርግ ቬክተሩን ዳይሬክሽኑ መቀየር የለበት። ዘ ሴም ዳይሬክሽን ሙቭ ነው የምናደርገው። ኦኬ ሙቭ ፓራራሊ ነው ሙቭ የምናደርገው። ኦኬ ዳይሬክሽኑን ሳይቀይር ነው የምናንቀሳቅሰው ማለት ነው። ኤግዛምፕል ላይ በጣም ሲምፕል ይሆናል። ኦኬ join the vectors head to tail and the resultant is drawn from the tail of the first vector to the head of the second vector. Resultant እንደዛ ይሆናል ነው። Question: find the resultant of two vectors shown below using triangle law, right? u እና v ሁለት ቬክተሮች ተሰጠውናል። እስኪ አብረን ድሮ እናርጋቸው እስኪ። Okay, we have vector u. Look, u parallel to u የሆነ ቬክተር ራሱ ቬክተር u ዳይሬክሽኑ ማግኒቲዩዱን ሳልቀይር ነው ማስቀምጠው። Okay, this is vector u. Vector u, okay. Again vector v ራሱን ግን ከu ሄድ ላይ ቴሉን ኮኔክት አደርጋለሁ። ከፈለኩ ደግሞ ቴል ቱ ሄድ ማድረግ እችላለሁ ማለት ነው። Okay, look, እንደዚህ እናደርጋለን። Okay, እሺ ተማሪዎች የዚህን ክፍል ሙሉ ክፍል ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ ዌብሳይታችን ላይ ወይም ደግሞ የሞባይል አፕሊኬሽናችሁ ላይ ታገኙታላችሁ።